Hey everyone, Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4, and today what I want to show you guys how to do is install my new shock towers for the rear of the trail finder. As you guys know, I've been running upright shock towers on my trail finder for many years now. I initially started running the shock towers because when I had this four-linked in the rear, the shocks were binding, so I ended up putting some shock towers on the rear to keep the shocks from binding, how they're mounted back here. What these new shock towers, I have designed them so that you can't invert the shackles on the rear. The shocks will bottom out first, and also the shock towers are short enough that they fit underneath the bed of the trail finder body. So we have here is the original spacer that goes between the shock and the cross member where they're originally mounted on. Two M3 by 14 screws and one M3 by 18, and then two lock nuts. So these are a really easy install. We're just going to take one of our 14mm screws, and it goes in the back right here. That hole is threaded on the truck, and then the hole that these go to on the front is not threaded. That's where we'll use one of our nuts. And now we can snug down the rear. And then our 18mm screw through the shock with the spacer. And then I like to go to the farther back mounting hole. The front hole is if you want to put the shock maybe on the front of the axle. And just like that, they're all installed. The shocks function as they should. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys that it does work with the stock body. So as you can see there, we do have clearance between the shock towers and the bed. You guys can get these on my website. I think they're a pretty affordable product, $15 at this point in time. Nice little upgrade, especially if you're running the linked suspension, or if you're running the leaf springs, it'll stop them from inverting the shackles in the rear. So I've just been running these shock towers for quite some time now. I see no reason to go back to the center cross member where the shocks are way leaned in. I just kind of prefer how the shocks look vertical like this, and how it performs. The shackles aren't binding anymore. That was my initial reason for designing the shock towers to be the way they are. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. If you like any of the other products you see on the truck, you can find them on my website, extremrc4x4.com. But that's it for this install. Really quick and easy, especially if you already had it torn down like I did. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.